Hey, it's Tim at Engine Factory here. Just finished building this beautiful 427 Ford 540 horsepower turnkey package engine for our customer's 1967 Mustang. Go over some of the highlights on the engine build here. We started with a brand new block, 4-bolt main block. We have all forged steel internals in there. Double roller timing chain, brand new timing cover, new balancer, oil pressure extensions on there for easy hookups. Proper Moroso rear sump oil pan for the customers running a height suspension, so he needs a rear sump oil pan. Oil stick and tubes on there. AFR aluminum cylinder heads. All the roller rocker arms fully adjusted and set. It's real nice Cobra valve covers with the 427 badges on there. The Cobra air cleaner. Distributor set in place. MSD ignition coil. Aluminum intake manifold. Quick fuel carburetor, throttle return spring, throttle cable ball and bracket on there. Every engine is live run at the Engine Factory for over 45 minutes. You'll get a video of your engine running in a stand. Manifold vacuum reading, water temperature, oil pressure, cold and hot. Timing will be set, carburetor fully adjusted, ready to go, drop in ready. We have the brand new bell housing on there, proper bell housing for the customer's TKX 5-speed transmission. All the transmission bolts are supplied, clutch fork, throwout bearing, clutch is aligned and set, high torque mini starter, PCV ventilation line, heavy duty Russell line, manifold vacuum fittings on there for easy hookups for vacuum lines. We have the choke wire on there, the electric choke, proper thermostat housing for the 67 Mustang, thermostats installed, the bypass hose. It's real nice. Wraptor pulley kit on here. Self-tensioning belt tensioner, keep the belt tensioned properly at all times. 8-rib serpentine belt, heavy duty, high flow aluminum water pump, 160 amp 1-wire hookup alternator, power steering pumps on there. We have the proper pressure fitting in there for the customer's height suspension, that's installed. So this is the way you get it, custom built for your vehicle, complete, ready to go, right out of the crate. There you have it, our 427 Ford 540 horsepower engine. Thanks for watching.